Austin's got a fire going. He's serious. As usual, Austin's doing all the work.
You're gonna be making like 80-pound pallets.
COVID cough. Yeah. They're gonna be heavy, huh?
They are gonna be pretty though.
Yeah, they're gonna be the prettiest pallets. Didn't you say they're gonna be the prettiest pallets out there?
They will be. Some of these are really nice.
This is all red oak, huh?
Yep.
That one sure looks like white.
A couple of them came out light, but I think it's
all red oak.
Yeah, well, I know it's all red oak.
All out of the same can?
Same two.
Gotcha. Cool. We'll know as soon as we start cutting them, though, whether it smells good. What do you got? You making jigs?
I'm just gonna put one of these.
So this is fixtured.
Yep, that's fixed. And
that's firewood.
You can just put it in that.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna put one block down here, one block down here. That'll support.
Shoot, this thing's like shooting all over.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big mess.
Look at your sharpener.
Yeah.
Is there a way to take this tube and curl it? Yeah. All I need is a
hose clamp.
Hose clamp. There you go.
I'll give you some.
See what happens when you lift up. Oh, direct shot.
Got a bag we could tape over the end of it?
Actually, if we just put a deflector, let's see what happens. Let's look on it. That's just a direct shot. Dude.
Yeah, all it is it's aiming it.
What if we did this? I don't know. It's wasting time. Give a little gravity. Let gravity do it.
Oh man, jackpot. Just super heat the end and then we'll just
come in further.
About there?
Yeah. See what you can do. Yep. Alright, that's good. Come down. Come down that way. That's what we need that blower for, buddy.
Yeah, I know. You are correct about that.
This is kind of what I was thinking. Just hang something like this.
I don't know if I
Screw and I'll stick it right in.
Here.
Geniuses.
I'm not sure how I feel about YouTube seeing this.
What's that?
I'm not sure how I feel about YouTube seeing this. You just drove it clean through, didn't you?
I just need a piece of wood for the other side. Something to hold it. This is my nut. I need another piece of wood. This is getting ugly.
Getting ugly?
Brilliant. Ta-da. '20-year wedding anniversary tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Nate, did you get married when you were 5? No, I did not.
You've been waiting all day to set that one up, haven't you? Did you get married when you were 5? Good one.
Look at this, buddy. What do you think of that?
Oh yeah. Now it's just going to throw it at the feet of the sharpener is all.
Should have put these on. Look at that.
Oh gosh. I don't think that's going to last, but I'm willing to try it.
Yeah, why not? Let's see what happens.
What happens if I just...
Yep, that's redneck there.
Here. Doing work? What are you doing? What are you working on? And I said, here, Graham, you want to see it? Why don't you just go watch the YouTube channel? Oh, he's got a YouTube channel. I said, yeah, you can see everything we've been working on.
I like how you call it Nate's YouTube channel when you're the star.
It's on my YouTube channel.
That's firewood, though. Did you see if that was 40 to here to here?
I cut a piece on there.
You already checked it, huh?
Yep.
I will double. So what's that, flat?
Yeah, so this is a middle slat. That's your 48. Okay. This is the 48 inch.
I know. It's not like super critical. All I want to do is build one and put the jig together so they're parallel.
Here. There's a 48.
40 wide though.
Oh, yeah. So you need this guy.
So the first one that goes on is a big one. Big one goes here.
Oh, we don't need, okay. Yeah, I was thinking,
So put it where it's trying to just make it square with the jigs.
I got you. I got you now. I was trying to put 40 between them, not 40 outside to outside. How's that look on your side?
I'm okay. I'd screw these in.
Okay. I'm
Two
good.
screws, you're good. Hold on a sec. This guy's not in all the way. You feel it, see what it. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty
The kicker's gonna be making them square though. You know what I mean? Good idea. You ready for this? Screw the stuff. Now you got double Wouldn't make it super like, make it a little loose.
Mm-hmm. Trying not to split it.
Where is the drill bits?
Over here.
If we do it this way, it's not quite tall enough to catch that first.
Oh.
Building jigs, building jigs. Is it gonna be good enough?
Any idea what the spacing is?
Mm-mm. You take the distance?
And just divide it by 6. Yeah, but I'm gonna make this easier to handle.
Oh, okay. I'll just just have to go in that gauge.
So it's the big side is 2¼ inches.
One will be a little long.
Yeah. Well, we'll just do what we did.
Yeah, just take.
Figure out what the spacing is and cut a stick for that.
You need 2. So cut one here and cut one there.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna split them. That's all right. I mean, it's all right. We can do it quick.
You have even a wild guess on what?
So it's easy for the forks to get. That's what I would do. Easy for the forks.
A single pallet. They're gonna have to use the forklift.
That is a heavy pallet, buddy.
Sorry, Jody.
Yeah, they're heavy. I mean, they have to be hardwood pallets. There's no way.
Yeah, right.
No way around
Well, and
it.
I'll tell you this. That's gonna be a very, very durable pallet.
Right. That we'll see one time. Did you bring the iron? The stamp?
Yes. And I brought it in here.
It'll take forever to get that thing hot. I don't even know if it's worth it, but it is our first pallet, Austin.
If you had one of these that wasn't electric, it would almost be better.
It takes forever for it to heat up.
Yeah.
But once it heats up, buddy, it just...
If you had one that wasn't electric and was just this stamp that I could put on a piece of round stock, I'd just leave it in the stove and pull it out when I need it.
Yeah.
But... Oh, you did.
That's pretty cool, man.
That is.
It smells good.
It does smell really good.
This is our first Bissell maple form pallet. Nice job, man. Look at that. That's cool.
Sweet. the bottom of the stem is open and it's forcing the smoke out through there.
Yeah, we don't really ever get the bottom of that leaf on there, do we?
No, but all you're missing is a little bit of stem.
Yeah, I'd rather have the point than the stem.
Me too.
This is something I would not split the difference on. There you go.
See, I fumbled it a little bit when I set it down and got a second point, and then it was up on this board. But other than that, I mean, it really...
You can read it a lot better.
Yeah. I guess what I should do when it's like that is just line the edge up against the board and put it down.
Alright, so I'm just leaving the farm. We just finished. I got the pallets in the back of the truck. It is 8 o'clock, warmed up to 32 degrees. I gotta head to the plant, the sugar works. I gotta head to the sugar works and unload these pallets so they have them. I am my wife and I's anniversary tomorrow. 20 years of marriage. 20 years. Feels like a minute, honey. Feels like a minute. But yeah, I've been married almost half my life. So looking forward to our trip tomorrow. Fairground's pretty quiet. No one's here. I'm gonna drive around to the dock, back up to the dock, and then just flip these up onto the dock. So that's the plan. I gotta go around and turn the security system off. But yep, we're gonna load them right there on the dock. Very cool. Pallets are delivered. I've been building this business for 20 years. And it's after 8 o'clock. I got about an hour drive home. Tomorrow's my 20-year wedding anniversary. And if you own a business, you lose the right. You lose the right. You lose the right to take time off anytime you want. You lose the right to be first. And I think that's important that people understand that. You want to be a business owner? Well, you're gonna have to build pallets. Instead of driving home the hour, you have to drive 20 minutes to drop them off because they need them, and then drive the hour home. You have to take the extra step. You cannot shortcut it, just the way it is. And not everybody's willing to do it. Everybody thinks they are until they have to work over 40 hours. Until they have to work over 50 hours. Until they have to work over 100 hours. People aren't willing to do it. So, if somebody asks me if I should start a business, you almost want to say, no, I don't think you should. because if that is enough to dissuade them, they're not going to make it anyways. Yep. Still go. It's like a green light in the camera. So, there's my truck in the dock. And pallets are unloaded for Zach and the team. Gas meter's running. Now, I'm gonna hop in this truck. I'm gonna drive the hour home. I'll be home about 9:45, and I'm taking tomorrow off because I'm not quite recovered from COVID. I'm not ashamed to say it either. I should have taken it a little easy today, but sometimes you don't get that right. So, anyways, it's been a long day. Thanks for sticking with me. Catch you in the next episode.